Arrested for domestic violence in Boone County? Are you living under a no contact order, wondering to yourself, what does this mean? So if you find yourself charged with a crime of domestic violence, because domestic violence itself is not a crime, it is an umbrella where a bunch of crimes kind of fit under it. For example, domestic battery is a crime, invasion of privacy is a crime, both of which kind of fall under the umbrella of what is known as domestic violence crimes. Now, if you're charged with something in relation to domestic violence, for example, domestic battery, invasion of privacy, or anything to that effect, it is almost certain the prosecutor is going to ask for what's called a no contact order to be put in place as the case is pending. In other words, the prosecutor doesn't have to reach out to the person that is the alleged victim in the actual case to figure out, hey, is this something that you want? How do you feel about this situation? No. Prosecutors are just going to go ahead and ask the judge to issue that no contact order because in their mind are doing this for the overall safety of everybody involved, despite what the person who's actually protected by the protective order or no contact order would actually want in themselves. Now, what does a no contact order mean? Well, it's exactly what it sounds like. It means no contact whatsoever. So you can't call them, you can't text them, you can't email them, you can't call their sister to tell them something to tell that person. You can't have any contact whatsoever with the person that is protected by the no contact order. What happens if you do? Well, that's another crime. And if you violate a no contact order, that's what's called an invasion of privacy. And if you happen to have a situation where you're charged originally with domestic battery, you then violate that no contact order, and then you have another charge for invasion of privacy, guess what? Judge is going to revoke your bond on that original case, and you're going to end up back in jail faster than you can count to 3. So anytime you have a situation where you find yourself with a no contact order, that's exactly what it means. No contact, period. You think there's a way that it's going to get back to the person? Don't do it. You have to make sure you protect yourself. Now, the crazy thing about no contact orders is it's a one-way street. So if I have a protective order against you, that means you can't have any contact with me whatsoever. You can't call me, you can't text me, you can't do anything. But I can call you, I can text you, I can show up at your house. I can do any of that without any fear of getting in trouble. But the second you reciprocate that, whether it's you open the door, you say hello, you answer a phone call, you respond to a text that's sent to you first, that's a violation on your part, even if you were baited in that situation. So when it comes to having a no contact order, it is very, very important that you abide by those terms. Now, can those no contact orders be fought? Of course they can. As we said earlier, no contact orders are asked for by the prosecutor in most cases. And a lot of times, the prosecutor will not get the input of the person the no contact order is meant to protect. Prosecutor will ask for it for the safety of the general public and the person that's the alleged victim in this case. The alleged victim is going to have a say eventually. Are they scared of you? Do they fear for their life? Do they even want the no contact order? I couldn't tell you how many cases we have. Hey, Matt, I don't know why there's no contact orders in place. I didn't ask for it. I don't want it. I want to be able to talk to so-and-so. I want to be able to see them. We've got kids together. What's going on? So a lot of times you can attack a no contact order in that fashion. So if you find yourself charged with a crime of domestic violence in Boone County, Indiana, give us a call. 317-632-3642. And remember, always plead the fifth.